What's going on, people? It's your boy Richard here. I'm just making a quick video about USI and the benefits of USI. Most people, they want to own Bitcoin. They're starting to buy Bitcoin, these altcoins, and everything else. But most people do not have enough money to actually invest into these coins and just hold on to them. And most people don't know how to trade these coins individually. So what I have done is actually I'm partnering up with a company that actually trade our coins for us, and you just buy these. They call them BTC packages, which is Bitcoin packages, and we earn. If you go to shop, we earn basically 40% on the return of capital of what we're buying these packages at. And this is right now the current price of each package, and earns roughly about 1% a day. So you buy it in Bitcoin, it stays in Bitcoin through the whole process of the actual package. So this is my page right now in the available in this middle right here where it says available balance. That is what I have available, what is out when it's paying me daily because it pays out daily, roughly around about 7:30 to 8 o'clock Eastern time. Uh, it appears in this box. What it has totally paid me back since I started is 0.0356 Bitcoin. So that's around roughly around about $87. So right now this is the worth of $15.77. I actually invested. I bought five Bitcoin packages with my own cash, and that sixth package was actually bought through the rebuy. So I can show you right here. So if I go to packages, I'll show you. I bought these packages out of my wallet, and this is a rebuy, that last one. These are the amounts that was actually paid for the Bitcoin at the time. Like I said, at the time when I bought bought these packages, which is the five packages, Bitcoin was actually a lower price. So I spent roughly around about $285 in Bitcoin on these packages. But if you actually look and you add these up, it'll say that it's worth $553. So just when these packages really expire, um, which like I said, expires out in 50 $50 worth of Bitcoin and a 40% return, but it expires out the amount of 40% of the Bitcoin that you actually bought it for. And that's the key thing. You just know that I bought it for a certain amount, so 40% on that. So if I go back to packages and say take the top two, um, I bought it for point 0.8481, and that's what I bought it at. So that's roughly, let's see, so it's 85.81. So 0.08581. So that's roughly around $200, $211. Those are only two Bitcoin packages. It should be worth a little over $100 because it's around about the exchange rate for euro and US dollars. But it's around about I would say around about $110 is when I actually bought it for. But it's worth $211 today. And if I put, let's say, times it by point 0.4, because that's 40. So I should earn 0.034324 for the percentage wise. So let's see, 0.034324. So roughly around about $84 in Bitcoin. So in reality, that is around 80% of what I actually paid for it. But because the price of Bitcoin went up, I actually earned more money than what I actually spent. So that one's just earning $84. And as the price of Bitcoin keep rising, then really I'm making more money. So I'm making 40% off of these prices that I bought Bitcoin at. So and that's the whole thing about jumping in and buying as many as you can from the very beginning. And of course, I didn't have the money to buy the packages at the very beginning, but it's actually making Bitcoin also because I bought the packages at a lower rate. That means those uh, with more money at the end of the day buying it at that lower rate. And even just think about it, if Bitcoin prices went up to $5,000 per coin, and I was able to buy, say, 30 to 50 Bitcoin packages under the $3,000 mark, and then it goes up to $5,000 eventually, then I'll make so much more money when buying it at that lower rate and it's actually building at that lower rate. So it's really important to actually get in as fast as you can and then actually build the packages, reinvest the money back into the packages, the money that you're actually earning every day, and that way you're building your Bitcoin volume. So you're moving from, say, a half a Bitcoin to 1 Bitcoin to 2 Bitcoin. You're growing your Bitcoin and it's growing in price. That way you're making money in both ways. Instead of just pulling money out of your pocket, buying Bitcoin and letting it sit in an account, you're pulling money in your pocket, buying Bitcoin, having the ability that is trade and actually earn you more Bitcoin. Like one of my goals is to earn up to 100 Bitcoin from off this account. So if I earn 100 Bitcoin and Bitcoin goes up to $5,000 per coin, then I end up having $500,000 worth of Bitcoin. And I can sell that. I can do whatever I want with that, hold on to it, or whatever I want to do. But I'll have over $500,000 worth of Bitcoin, and that's why I'm using this system. Like a lot of people, they can invest $1,000 in the system and buy 20 packages, Bitcoin packages. Within 1 year, this going through the system, if it's reinvesting back into the packages, it will earn you up to $4,000, or it'll earn you up to 4 Bitcoin. So you start off with, say, let's see, hold up. I can do this right now for you rebuy. You bought 20 Bitcoin packages. 1 year is roughly around about 160 days. I calculate that. So this is how much you paid for your packages. So $1,081. That's how much you paid for your packages. And this is how much you end up earning. $4,944. So you almost earn up to $4,000 in 1 year trading on this account. And then remember, this is a Bitcoin. That's at current prices. If Bitcoin prices double from what it is right now, and you start growing it, then those 2 Bitcoin is actually worth more now. They're double in price. That's how this works. But yeah, but USI is a great company to work with. You can earn money through the referral program, 10% per referral. Every time your referral actually buy a Bitcoin package, you earn 10% on it. So they're making money by investing their money into the Bitcoin packages, and you're earning extra money by the referral commissions that you're gaining through the program. But anyway, I hope I see you guys on Facebook. I hope you go ahead and email me. But let's keep making money. All right. Peace.